And definitely really like this. I bought this because I heard there was good reviews on the miter saw blades and the skill saw blades. And this blade's just about on its way out, so I'm probably gonna replace it with a Spyder blade as well. I'll probably make another video on that as well. But for the time being, I'll just show you what's in here real quick. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. You have your from 3/4 bit to 2.5. You get 2 arbors and 2 of the quick release systems, which is what makes this kit very cool. So I'll kind of show you how it works. So depending on which bit you're using, you're either going with the small guy or you're going with the bigger guy. So to use it, push the button in. That's the quick release. And then it snaps into place. Grab the hole saw that you want. Okay. Now, typically you would just tighten this until the little nubs fall inside the hole saw. With this system, it's spring loaded, so I actually pull it back like that, tighten, and then release. And it snaps into place. Now, why is the quick release so helpful? Because when you're drilling through plywood or, you know, maybe even sheetrock or whatever, your material is going to get stuck inside the hole saw, right? And then you're sitting there, you have your flathead, and you're going into the holes and you're trying to pry it out and pry it out and pry it out, and the thing goes back and forth, back and forth. With this, push the button in, you pull your arbor out, and then you could just pop it through, because the arbor is really what holds the material inside your bit, right? Because it's threaded. So, but by pulling that out, give this a quick knock, or, you know, use your flathead still, and the material pops right out. So kind of gets rid of that headache. And it's just a durable hole saw kit. I mean, you buy the cheaper ones and they don't last for more than, you know, a couple goes through something, you know, some hard material. So these have definitely seen their use. And I'm enjoying them, and I definitely recommend them. Spyder bits. And to disconnect this, pull it up, unthread. Super simple, super effective. If you do a lot of drilling, I definitely recommend you take a look. And as soon as I pick up the miter saw blade, I'll kind of cut through some material and show you guys how smooth it is. I got a bunch of trim work to do in here still, so that's why I'll be buying it. But, all right guys, take care, but take it.